Now morning, my lovely viewers. I'm going to do a bit of cleaning again because we're going to have an inspection. Grace is coming. A beautiful crocheted thing for the table and a white one. Now few minutes, well 15. So now the inspection went pretty well. I would say check out Grace's Vlogmas. I think she filmed here and there. I forgot. But I'm wearing this beautiful hat and a cowl, and the hat is chimney and the hat cowl is one pattern, so you get two in one. So check it out, and one of those beautiful yarns are from Grace. Yeah, if you want some, email her. Meanwhile, yesterday I finished knitting toes with a beautiful yarn that I received from Sarah. So this one, West Yorkshire Spinners, and this I will start very light, so I'll do a bit every day, a bit. I'm thinking of knitting really long ones. Why not? We have a month. Let's have fun with it. Then I switched bags. I had mittens. I'm knitting mittens actually with these, but not sure why I knit it today, but I switched it for this beautiful bag. Oh, close up. Oh, look at this. I love it. I love this fabric. Bags by Diane. She has, I think, in different colors. I think the gold one is beautiful too. I have full of Minnie's hat, and I will be starting on this. So I don't have any progress, but I caked this little mini that I got from Vicky. Seb's coming. So I'll be casting on. I know, trying to get a matching piece. So you just take it, you try to find this perfect spot, and then you wind up a bit to see where you can start. Shaking a bit. And it's raining. And I did that much. So cute. Well, you sometimes ask about the weather, so yeah, 2nd of December. Yeah, that's that. And we see mountains over there. So cute. So cute. Sorting out, cleaning, that's December. Meanwhile, something I washed and it's drying. I'm not a crocheter. These are gifts from my mom. She crochets a lot. I didn't have a space, so I just put one on the top of another, but look at this pattern. Beautiful. Today was a game from one cabinet. Today was a fun day. From one cabinet switch things to another cabinet in the kitchen. Apparently we have maybe 5-6 minutes break, and then we're going to do a Christmas tree, artificial one, but we're going to get a real one, that's the word, a real tree on Tuesday. Trip to IKEA. Grace was visiting me, so if I haven't recorded anything, as I said, but she posts already Vlogmas day 2, so I'll put a link down below. And I was showing her this beautiful yarn and she got some from me, so check it out. I finished this, I just put it up over here. It dries. But now, it's not about knitting here so much. It's more about opening advent calendars. I have 2. I'll open it with you. I haven't opened this yet. So let's go number 2. I have a dog, but over here is a Santa head. Oh, Santa. Let's find day 2. Friends are angels who lift us to our feet when our spirits have trouble remembering how to fly. I forgot to show you the card I got. Beautiful. Day 2. A tea and beautiful blue. We have 50% silk, superwash merino. I was like, what the heck is SWM? Ice Sky, part of my snow melt shawl. So you see, this is pretty cool. We start in January to put stuff into our bags, and that way we can also make note with the yarn that we knitted. So cute. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I'm putting them over here. Apparently I need to, but the idea for me for this advent calendar was to knit shorties. But I meant to wait. So I'm not sure for how long. Let me know. Oh, it smells divine. If it sucks, I have it ready to cast on. And look at this. That would be amazing. Such a cute one. Today is a blue day so far. And the stitch marker is just the best. Look at this. You know how much I love tea. Oh, so cute. Thank you. And it says, my hand-dyed yarn. Beautiful. And a bits. And a bees, and as you can see they're on 4mm needle, and they're definitely can be used for like 6 or even 7. And you know, I designed a hat, just knit hat for those sizes. Oh, thank you so much. And that was fun.